Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, sharing an exhibition video with you. I don't know what that is. This is one of the prizes that the drawing winner for the 1st of August will have to choose from. This is another one. And another one. And I'm going to try and shimmer things a little bit, but I've got a very dark day. I couldn't wait any longer. That's another one. Some of these are actually videos that you haven't seen yet. So I'm going to go through the artworks that I painted during June. Move that. Oh boy. You know what? I really need to make sure that ladder is still there. Whoa. And the things aren't falling down. Okay. Well, I'm doing the best I can. What can I say? Put those to the side. Shimmer this one at you. Of course, I put my books on it. Yeah. Batting 1,000. Well, I wasn't sure I was going to be able to do this today at all. So there we go. I love this painting. This is a 24 by 30. And this is all metallics in bronzes and coppers and golds and silver. And those are my two books. Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And you can find them on the Amazon link. That's on the link tree. That's the first blue link under the video. And now I'm going to try my best to go through things and not leave you out of frame. I'll try. So here comes a stack of 12 by 12s, starting with a seascape. And I'm inclined to try and focus on that. And maybe that means the rest will be okay. Here's a fireworks series because it's about to be the 4th of July when this video is made. This was a do-over or a stage 2 and I absolutely love this. I wonder if I shimmered the other one at you correctly. This looks like it was leftovers, but I really like it. It's got a lot of gold. Decor Americana 24 karat gold. You really can't beat it. And this was a stage 2. That video was fairly successful. Then I have something I'm going to have to step back up on the ladder for. Try not to kick my paintings while I'm at it. This is an 8 by 10, and as much as I liked it as the experiment that it was, then I took my acrylic pens, brush pens, I don't know. In any case, it made a beautiful pattern, and I thought I was going to put it in the monthly drawing, but I haven't done that, so let's just... These are 10 by 10s. I'm going to have to zoom in on those. You can't really see those at all, unless I do. And I'll shimmer them at you. That's a really pretty swipe. I like that swipe. This is recent. This is leftovers the other day at the end of a 4 painting spree. This I adore. I thought I'd put that in the drawing, but I'm not going to. That's a private collection piece. Private collection pieces are a little more dear. If you have an interest in any of the artworks that you see, you may inquire. And I will let you know through the email that's directly below Show More underneath the link tree. I am hoping I can go through all these. I really am. But I wonder. This was a great video. Sans crumbs. That is a 14 by 14 inch gallery rep canvas. I'm gonna have to make sure right now. Yeah, let's actually be in frame. There we go. I'm getting the hang of it slowly. This is, I believe, a 12 by 16. Did I shimmer that at you? So make a note of the time if you have an interest in purchasing an artwork, so you can let me know the hashtag and file number. are in the video title, but the only way to identify paintings in the exhibition video is by actually giving me the time you saw it. This was actually today's video, and this is a gorgeous painting, and I do not know why it bombed so badly. I'm not going to go with the same sizes over and over again. I'm going to try and just keep moving. That's another do-over. There's some great shimmer. I really like this piece. This is another do-over. This is the second stage. It was kind of a darker swipe the first time, which is pretty. It took me a while to really learn to appreciate it, but I did. So there are prints of that first stage. I don't think you've seen the video yet. So, whoa, crash. So I wouldn't worry about that. Let's make sure that we have everything in frame. It is kind of dark in here today. This is a lot brighter than it looks like through the monitor. And I need to grab as many of these things that have just fallen down as I possibly can. This video may not even air if I have a chance to make a video early tomorrow morning. That was part of a class demonstration, and there is no video that goes with it. And those paintings continue to want to slide down. Oh well. It's got some really cool stuff happening in the hillside. Hillside City. Sunset sky, Hillside City. Let's make sure we're zoomed out as far as I can be. And let's refocus. This is Escape, little tree line. I don't think it's a seascape per se, but it's got some ocean colors at the bottom, so you could think so. This is a Smear. This hasn't come up yet. It's got some really nice shimmer to it. This is, I think I like this way. And hopefully you can see all that. And some point in time when I move it, you can see the shimmer. This to me looks like fireworks being shot off, and the smoke and the whole excitement of 4th of July. So I'm kind of looking forward to running that video, and I think it's coming up on the 4th of July, honestly. This was a funnel pour, and I'm going to have to zoom out, I know I am. I should have probably asked for some help today, but it just didn't seem the time was off. Oh, I'm in frame. Yes, I like that. I get my step class in doing this, I can tell you now. So that was, like I said, a funnel pour. It's got beautiful shimmer. The colors in this are awesome. That is another favorite. That video has definitely aired. Sans dog hair. And I will give you another embellished painting, which I absolutely adore. And I have a really fun time doing it. I just can't do the video because it would take, my head would be in the way, and I would be, taking my time. I'll zoom in on that so you can see the embellishment. I've made a print of this and put it on Fine Art America. You can find my Fine Art America and Pixels.com prints on the link tree. And also on my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Totes and more. Yes. Because the shop now button will take you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com there as well. So I'm having a really good time embellishing with those. There are Arteza white acrylic pens, and they come like 12 in a set. I definitely recommend, if you have an interest or you've ever done some Zentangle and you have some paintings that would look good with those outlines. This was an experiment I had a good time with. I will be doing something like that again sometime soon. Hopefully. And I'm really loving, I'm not sure if this is a 14, no, it's a 16 by 16 inch canvas. I'm loving these, they look like beaded curtains to me, kind of. But in any case, I'm loving them. Okay, so I have a painting I'm not sure is finished yet. I should have shimmered that at you. I believe that I'm going to put a block of land in here. So if you like it the way it is and you want to purchase it, let me know quickly if you're interested in that or not. Now here comes yesterday's video. With a little chalk dust still on it, that's funny. And that is in frame, yay, I'm getting lucky. There's a little dog hair on this too. This is one of my current favorite paintings and has remained so since I did it. It's just so different. I find it very outstanding. This is one of my dribble paintings, which I really have a good time making them, and I love the result I get. That is a new scape. I'm not sure there's ever going to be anything additional there, although I kind of think trees would be nice. So it's not outside the realm of possibility that that could happen. I have some 14 by 14s coming right up. This was the first painting that I did in that style that looks like the beaded curtain that I told you about. And these colors are awesome. I did a diagonal black on the bottom underneath and white on the top, and it worked out just beautifully. This was a stage 2 painting, but it was stage 2 right after stage 1 while it was still wet. I didn't wait. That was a nice swipe. This was a stage 2 painting. The first one was okay, but it kind of was a little too dark for me, and I love how it turned out with the embellishments of the bottles being added there. I love this painting, straight up. Don't know what else to say about it, I just love it. I especially love that coppery color in there, the reddish copper. This is stunning in person. I do not know if the camera can read all that, but the purples with the reds and the golds and the oranges are just tremendous. I believe that that may be a fireworks painting for the 4th of July. This is awesome too. I love this style. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I did just sell one in this style to somebody in Florida, and that was really nice, and you know who you are, and thank you so much. This is another one that you can't see in the pictures as well as in person, and there's just there's real depth and dimension in that, and I wish I could show you. Let's make sure that I have enough time. Oh boy, I better go really fast, or I won't get through. This was a recent video, and I'm going to need to be zoomed out all the way anyway. Look at the shimmer in that. This is recent. I don't think that's been aired yet. This is cool. This is a stage 2. I liked it the first time, but I didn't like it as much as I like it now, and that's for sure. Look at the shimmer and the colors. The turquoise is just stunning in that. This is a painting I wasn't sure I was going to show you, and I'm not sure if I put it in the last video or not. I still have the chalk outline of a dragon on there because I was going to put a sea serpent in there, but any way you look at it, the more I look at it, the more I like it, the more I want to keep it. This is a video that has not aired yet, but will air in a couple of days. That is, I believe, an 18 by 24. Yes. And this is a 20 by 24. And I'm hoping that I'm zoomed out far enough. Yeah, that's as good as it's going to get. So I have a whole stack of 18 by 24s. Some of them are abstract expressionist, as in playing with new projects, just some solid colors. I don't know if I can get all these done, but I'm going to give it my best shot. So I'm just going to keep moving them out. That is maybe of stage 1. I'm kind of thinking it is. This is not. I really like this. It's got beautiful shimmer in it. I believe that that is totally done. This painting could be hung horizontally or vertically, and I love this painting. minute, I'll be back as quick as I can. The shimmer in here is just perfect. It's not overwhelming or anything. This is maybe my favorite painting of all time, and I had prints made of this because I love it so much. Just in case somebody else loves it as much as I do, it's on Fine Art America. If you guys need a link for anything, including anything on my playlist, I have over 2,100 videos. 2,000 of them are available. And they're organized by the 100 topic and genre. So here's some more 18 by 24s. I found a sale is what happened. This video has over 72,000 views. I will admit, I did advertise, but it had a very unusual amount of activity, which was really nice to see. It means there's hope. If you guys want to help me out, my channel is not giving out notifications because I don't have enough views lately. And the fewer views I get, the fewer notifications get given out. So if you want to be of assistance to me, please bookmark my channel. Know I post every single day, sometime between 9:30 and noon usually, and lately around 11:30, but you can never tell. And on the weekends, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. I think these two paintings are going to go together as a set because I think they're beautiful. You probably can't see them separately and together one time. I gotta move that gold sun out of the way. Okay, I've got 3 minutes, and I'm gonna mark 2, just so I know when I'm on my last minute. And we're doing pretty well. We might actually make it. This is a painting I love, and it deserves to be seen alone and shimmered. It's got my favorite purple flash in there. I'm not sure what. Yep. This is the way this one's supposed to be. So, like I said, I have to remind you, make a note of the time you see something. If you have an interest in anything, it's the best possible way to support the studio. The monthly drawing, you can find the PayPal and Patreon icons on the bottom right-hand corner of my channel banner. And if you make a donation through PayPal or Patreon, you'll be automatically entered in the drawing for the paintings that you saw up for grabs. And that happens every month at the drawing is on the very last day of the month, and I announce the winner on that night to the winner, and then the next day. Excuse me while I leave you with a painting. I'm getting winded. There we go. This was a video I posted by accident and pulled back, so this video will be coming up soon. I love, 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 love this. It looks so much better here than it does on the thumbnail. This I posted again today, I think. Well, not again, but a rainbow block. And this is, I don't know if I called that Dancing Fool, I think so, which reminds me that it's probably supposed to go like this. And we are almost done. Almost. I'm going to make it. And this is a cousin, might have happened right around the same time. So very similar. I've got 1 minute left and I can do it. There's my seascape. There are my geometric bars. I love that. I should shimmer these at you, but I might run out of time if I do that. There's my fan. Here's my second to last painting. I love this. And here is, let's see if I can zoom in on that. There we go. I can zoom in on that. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up. Share my videos whenever you can. Know that this is going to be placed on the end screen of every video in the last 20 seconds. Woo! My email address, again, is underneath the link tree. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, and my website, as well as more things, including my Legalist, Clothing Made in Montreal, are all on that link tree. And volumes 1 and 2 are my books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and they're on the Amazon link, where if you shop there, it's at no extra cost to you. Thank you guys for everything. I love you so much. You inspire the heck out of me. And thank you for all the comments and compliments. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I'll see you when